Alright, welcome back to the channel. As I promised, we're going to do some paleo videos. Since we're not at the track, we're going to do them here at home. We're going to do some honey mustard chicken tonight, a side salad, and some carrots and green beans. It's completely paleo. I started my paleo journey just over a year ago now. Proud to say I'm down 71 pounds. I am not a doctor. I cannot tell you what to do, but if you want to eat better, hey, just follow along. Okay, the ingredients for this dish are as follows. You need 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, a tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 clove of garlic minced up, thyme, 1 tablespoon, juice of 2 lemons, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay, the next step is to combine the lemon juice, the garlic powder, and the olive oil into a bowl. That's going to be your coating for the chicken. Add salt and pepper to taste. Okay, once you've combined your first 3 ingredients, coat your chicken into it. Place it onto a baking sheet. Spray that baking sheet first so nothing sticks to it. And you're going to roast this chicken at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. Okay, the side dish for tonight's dinner with that honey mustard chicken is going to be roasted carrots. Just carrots right out of the grocery store. If you can find local, go ahead and do it. It's winter here in the north, so we're not going to find them local. The only thing we did is put on some olive oil and some Italian seasoning, and we're going to roast them again at 400 degrees with that chicken, and they'll take just about the same amount of time. While that chicken is roasting, combine your other ingredients, the honey and the Dijon, the thyme and the garlic, and prepare that 30 minutes through. You'll brush this on the chicken. Okay, the next side dish we're going to prepare are green beans, and the key to cooking great green beans is you want to put them into a pan or a pot of water, and you want to simmer them until they turn a nice bright green. And I'll show you guys what that looks like when they get there. That's going to make them super tender and super juicy. Okay, we're about 20 minutes into the cook so far. Things are definitely looking good. I've got the green beans starting to simmer. You can see them starting to turn color already. It's important, guys, when you're using the paleo lifestyle, try to get your ingredients local if you can. Every ingredient we used here is totally paleo. If you don't want to use olive oil, you can use ghee. Try to get your honey from a local supplier. If not, use raw, unfiltered honey. If you can get fresh thyme, get fresh thyme, but it's not necessary. But try to get everything organic if you can. If you can't, do the best you can. The idea is just no sugar, guys, no gluten, no wheat, and stay away from that stuff, and you can definitely find ways around all of that, and it's going to taste better than you will think it will. Okay, the green beans have been simmering for about 5 minutes now. You can see they're a nice vibrant green. Time to take them off. You want to drain them and make sure they're dry, because you're going to put them into the fry pan next and you're going to fry them. So you don't want any of those nasty splatters going about. Okay, the honey mustard brush on is ready. That's a combination of Dijon mustard, honey, the thyme, and garlic. And you just brush it on the chicken here and cook for another 15 to 20 minutes depending on doneness. Okay, got the green beans back in the pan. They're all dried off. I added a tablespoon of ghee. You could use olive oil here at the same if you want, or just regular butter. Remember, just keep it paleo at this point. Okay, I pulled the chicken. The carrots are done, the chicken's done, and the green beans are done. And there you go, guys. Now those chicken thighs are going to be about 360 to 370 calories for 2 of those. So that's really good if you count calories. That's great. The carrot's going to be about 110. And those green beans, though, with that ghee in there, they're going to be approaching 250 to 300 calories. So watch on the green beans a little bit. But if you're counting calories, if you're not, enjoy. You're probably all in here 1,000, 1,100 tops. That's pretty good for any dinner, and you're not going to eat any better than that.